guys, behind me is a 2021 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. We're doing tons of cool work on, but let's take a quick look at what this Jeep looked like when it first came to our shop. So as you can see, when the client dropped off the Jeep to us, it was an original blue paint from the factory, but it had a matte PPF wrap over it. So what we did, professionally removing the PPF from the entire vehicle, and then this client wanted to change the color and make it a very cool Nardo Gray. So what do? We actually wrapped the vehicle in a Nardo Gray paint protection film, much thicker, much stronger, much longer lasting than your typical vinyl wrap. Let's take a closer look. As you can see, we're still working on this monster project, but taking the wrap into consideration, most of it is already done. You can see some remnants of blue underneath, but most importantly, when we wrap vehicles here, especially Jeeps, they are very difficult to do. But take a look at all the hinges and the trims. All these pieces, we actually painted in a gloss black. Take a close look. Our client likes the look of the Rubicon addition to this Wrangler, so what we did is, for the wrap, we removed all the original OEM factory emblems, all the decals that say Rubicon. We wrapped the vehicle. When we're done wrapping the vehicle, we're going to put the original OEM factory Rubicon decals back on the hood, back on the vehicle, where we're changing up the color scheme a little bit, in addition to all the work we're doing on this Jeep Wrangler. Last but not least, the client wanted a full-blown custom sound system. We gave him just that. If you take a look, we stripped the entire inside of this vehicle. We lined the entire inside, roof, floor, doors, everywhere with sound dampening material, giving the client the ultimate sound once the system is completed. As far as the audio system, it's a combination of Hertz and Audisyn. We've got 2 amplifiers, we have 2 subwoofers, we have a custom box, we have a processor, we have a DPS processor. Once the audio system is completed in this Jeep, it's going to rock, man. Check it out. Our client wanted to utilize the full cargo area of his Jeep. He did not want a giant subwoofer box to take up any space. So DS18, right behind me, in the tailgate, custom subwoofer box, holds 2 10-inch subs. This thing is gonna rock, man. Check it out. So our client wanted the best in audio, so we actually customized a 3-way sound system up front, making it stealth, completely hidden and customized to the dash. You have a separate tweeter, you have a separate mid-range, and you have a separate mid-bass. All speakers are hidden, customized, and looks just like factory OEM. This incredible customized sound system is all controlled by the LinksWell 15.6-inch monitor. As you can see, it's a full infotainment screen. You can download movies, you can download films. You can do just about anything with this. To fill in the rear of this incredible audio system, we customized 5¼ inch component speakers on the soundbar. Take a look. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed the inside look at our customization process for the Jeep. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you the completed Jeep Rubicon very soon. Hey guys, behind me is the final and completed, customized, original, one-of-a-kind Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Let's take a closer look at everything we did. So to complete this truly unique Jeep, we blacked out all the emblems. We did custom Rubicon black decals. We even painted the bumper hitches from gold to black, satin black to match. Originally on this Jeep, the bumper hitches were a very tacky and unattractive gold. But since we customized this Jeep to make it pure gray and black, we decided to paint the hitches a satin black to blend in with the bumpers. As you saw the custom stereo system work in progress earlier, take a look at the end result. Everything is hidden. Everything is completely OEM. factory looking. All the amps completely 100% hidden under here. And there you have it, the final, absolute, awesome, customized, simple, hidden audio system.